Hey, what's going on, my friends? I just wanted to update you with a little video. I went and visited a computer wizard. This guy has a service and a website called BMW. I think it's called Bay Area BMW Coding or something like that. But anyhow, he was able to repair the issues I was having with my vehicle. Basically, what it was is the main computer, which is called the DME, and there's like a secondary computer underneath this dashboard that I had to rip off, called a CAS. Basically, they were not aligned properly. I mean, the car was able to run, but it was not recognizing any of the options that this particular car has, and one of them being the ABS module. I think it's unique to every DME and CAS system, and so when the previous owner replaced the DME, that was registered to another ABS module, and so that's why it was giving me an error code, because it didn't recognize mine. So I'm very thankful for the guy. He fixed it for me, and now you can see I have no check engine lights. The car is driving pretty smooth. I'm here on the highway, and it's got all the power. Everything is back. You can hear the turbo kick in here. Yeah, basically you can hear that. Let's see if I can get you another audio. Go. I think you can hear that one. So yeah, all the power is back, it runs smooth and everything. So now I'm just going for what they call a cycle drive, so I can get the car prepared for the emissions test, and after that I can go ahead and sell the vehicle. So yeah, that's just what it is here, guys. It's been about 2 months, a little over 2 months. Most of the time really was spent just waiting on parts. Sometimes, especially during these pandemic times, the shipping speed has been delayed quite significantly. So a lot of the parts were taking more than 2 weeks, when they normally only take about 3 to 7 business days. So anyhow, that's just how it goes. I'm very glad that I accomplished this project, and hopefully the new owner will get to enjoy this car. I think it's a very good car. It should last them for a while, and time for me to look for another project, you guys. Alright, thank you for following me throughout this whole series, and I hope you guys picked up on something throughout all the videos that I post. I know it may not be in the best manner, but I do try my very best to kind of explain things and show things, and maybe show you something that you may have not thought about, and you might get an idea to tackle your own issues. Alright, I have to go now. Bye bye.